Good morning, good morning. It's morning, guys, okay? We have about 2 seconds. Cream shadows are amazing. Apply it. Bam. You can do it the fancy way, okay? And pat it, all right? Or you could just use your little fingers. Yeah. Good morning. So, this is a little challenging, okay? Not using the mirror. Yep. Good morning. It's almost Friday, guys. It's almost, okay? I know, I need to do these, okay? It's fine. Don't even worry about it, all right? Seriously, okay? Halloween's almost here, yes? Then I can take them off, okay? Well, I can take it. So, yeah. Mom's using the BB cream, okay? Yeah. We'll have to switch to my winter shade pretty soon. Because, yeah, Mom's not getting any sun right now for the next, 6 months. This is a tinted moisturizer, BB cream. It's lightweight. And I love it, okay? It's great for dry skin. Dun, dun, dun. Yeah. Guys, do you ever feel like not cleaning the house? Guys, okay, I'm not normal. I'm a clean freak, okay? I can't help it. But I swear, for the last weeks, I have not just had the energy. Well, it's not that I don't have the energy. I just, I don't know, I'm in a funk or something. Working, crazy hours. And I don't even really feel like it's crazy hours. Because I was just checking on my memories. 3 years ago, I was working 60 hours, 7 days a week. I remember that, okay? Like it was yesterday. Now that was insane. And yeah, guys. Yeah, I just want to sleep. It's like I'm catching up on the sleep that I missed for the last 5 years. And I love my sleep. Don't get me wrong, I do. But I'm an early bird, and I love to get up in the mornings and just start my day, okay? I'm just patting this all over. Yeah. Ooh-wee, the sun's coming out now. Today! All right, guys, I can't help it. It's a good day. I feel good. The hair's washed. Hallelujah. Look at that. Jesus. This is a bare face. At first, okay, you guys all seen it. Yep. Props to the girls that can do that. It's not easy. It's not an easy thing, ladies. I promise. Okay. I remember a few years ago when I started going live. I wouldn't even say anything. I was so quiet. I was shy. I was scared, nervous. Heartbeats going crazy. Good morning. And yeah. All the good times. Yeah. Okay? Yeah. I just got to make sure we got this. Okay, guys? We got this. Yeah. And now I'm coming in with the magic. Yes. Okay, guys, I've got to use this, right? Can't help it, all right? Mama's getting older. We're not getting any younger, so yeah. This has 2 wands, okay? This brush is for the itty bitty lashes. Underneath, I don't ever apply makeup or mascara underneath, okay, on the lower lashes most of the time. 99.9% I don't. Okay? And then the second one, the Big Sister. Yes, this is a Big Sister, yeah. Wee. All right, guys, I can't help it. I'm in a good mood. I think I had a little bit too much Mountain Dew yesterday, girls, okay? I have my drinks at work, all right? It's either like tons of water, my coffee is a must, or it's coffee or the Kickstarts. The Kickstarts, they give me energy, okay? Don't get me wrong. Yes, I promise. They give you plenty of energy. But I've had a few Mountain Dews. Just the original, the green Mountain Dew. Yesterday, I was a little bit hyper at work. But the coworkers seemed happy and cheerful, like, so why not, you know? Like, takes her job serious, and I love it, okay? I love it. It's not an easy job. Second shift is not. It's not rocket science, okay? But I'm just saying, pretty soon, busy season's gonna come. Yeah. And you just enjoy it, okay? Do what brings you joy. I'm doing one eye for now, okay? Yeah. Mom's gotta get this going. So that's one eye. I could always add more. It's buildable. This is a little sister. And then there's the big one, okay? I used both wands on this one, and now I gotta focus. I am doing good today, Debbie. Thanks for asking. How are you? Yes, it's Thursday, so yeah, I'm excited, guys. And I'm only doing one wand on this side, okay? Bam. Dun, da, da, da. Okay, yeah. It's amazing. I love it. And that is it. Maybe some lip gloss, not lip gloss. Some lip balms. And that just keeps the lips moisturized and all that good stuff. You know, the winter, the weather changes, so the skin changes. My skin, especially, it's dry. It gets so dry in the wintertime. So yeah, BB cream is my jam. I can't help it. I love it. Maybe a little bit of setting spray, and we're done. Yes, the little wand does wonders. I agree. All right, guys, that is it. Just plain Jane today, okay? And now I hope you all have a great Thursday. Thanks for watching. Cheers.